This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by enabling Linux beta and developer options so you can install apps and modify UI files. This unlocks deeper customization. Once done, install a launcher and a Windows-like theme from the Chrome Web Store to change taskbar and icons. These are lightweight and reversible. Make sure to back up user data to Google Drive before changes so you can restore quickly. This prevents data loss if an extension or APK misbehaves, and it lets you experiment confidently with appearance and system tweaks. Next, install a Windows-style launcher or third-party shelf manager to mimic the Start menu and centered taskbar. You need it for app grouping and search behavior. Then apply an icon pack and a rounded corner theme to approximate Windows 11 aesthetics, because consistent icons and shape language sell the illusion. Once applied, tweak shelf behavior, auto-hide, and keyboard shortcuts so Alt plus Tab and Search act like Windows. This aligns muscle memory and makes the system feel native rather than just skinned. For final polish, add widgets and a centered clock extension, and install a virtual desktop manager to reproduce Windows desktops. These small touches complete the UX. Adjust display scaling and font smoothing to match Windows proportions so text and icons appear balanced. If things go wrong, disable recently added extensions or revert the theme. This isolates the culprit. If necessary, restore from your Google Drive backup and reapply changes one at a time so you can identify the exact step that caused instability.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.